In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone stuck in zoom mode. If your iPhone screen is magnified and difficult to control, don't worry. This usually happens when the accessibility zoom feature is turned on, and in some cases it can make the phone hard to use normally. A simple way to fix it is by using a Mac or PC to turn that zoom setting off directly from your computer. To get started, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC using a compatible cable. Make sure the connection is secure, since your computer will need to recognize the device before you can change the accessibility settings. If a trust prompt appears on the iPhone or computer, go ahead and allow the connection so the device can be accessed properly. Once your iPhone is connected, the next step depends on the type of computer you're using. If you're on a newer Mac, open Finder. If you're using a PC or an older version of macOS, open iTunes instead. Both of these let you manage your iPhone from your computer, and the process is very similar either way. After that, find and select your iPhone from the list of connected devices. In Finder, it should appear in the sidebar. In iTunes, you'll usually see a small device icon that you can click. Selecting the iPhone opens the device management options you need. Now look for the option called Configure Accessibility. This is where your computer lets you control certain accessibility features on the iPhone, even if the phone itself is difficult to navigate because of the zoomed-in screen. Open that menu and look for the zoom option. When you see zoom, deselect it. This turns off the zoom accessibility setting that is causing the display to stay enlarged. This is the key step, so make sure zoom is no longer checked or enabled before moving on. Then click OK to confirm the change. After a moment, your iPhone should apply the update, and the screen should return to its normal view. If it doesn't happen instantly, give it a few seconds while the device finishes syncing the setting. And that's it. By connecting your iPhone to a Mac or PC, opening Finder or iTunes, selecting the device, going into Configure Accessibility, turning off zoom, and confirming with OK, you can quickly fix an iPhone that's stuck in zoom mode. If needed, keep the phone connected for a moment longer to make sure the setting fully updates before disconnecting it.